So the first hand, you're holding 16 high card points. And with this beautiful 16 points, again, we cannot open no trump because we have a 6 card in a major and our hand, it's not balanced. So we have to open with this hand is 1 heart, yes? So we open 1 heart and now partner came back with 1 spade. Don't forget, when we bid 1 spade, we only guarantee 4 card suit. And this bid, it's forcing, yes? And why is it forcing? Because I didn't give partner lower and upper range. So non-forcing bids are only if you're playing standard, 1 no trump, or when you're raising the same suit, like 2 hearts, 3 hearts, those are not a forcing bids. New suit, it's always forcing, okay? By responder, not by opener, by responder. So 1 heart, 1 spade. And now I'm gonna ask you the harder question. What do you think we should come back? You can unmute yourself, don't be shy.
2 hearts.
2 hearts.
All right, I was worried about that. That's why I gave this hand. It is 3 hearts. So what is the difference between 2 versus 3? So both of them guarantee 6 card suit, but there is difference in point count. If you only bid 2 hearts, you're showing only 12 to 14 high card points. Versus if you would jump to 3 hearts, which I want you to do, you're promising 15 to 17 points. So this is the right answer. It's 3 hearts. You need to tell partner that you have extra values, okay? 1.2. You will open the bidding with 1 spade. And over 1 spade, partner came back with 1 no trump. So this is the hand where you want to be bidding now 2 spades, okay? That is the 12 to 14 points. So 12 to 14, you repeat the suit on level 2. 15 to 17, you need to show partner extra points, okay? On the next hand, 1.3. What should we open?
Sylvie, just going back to the 1.2, their response at 1 no trump means that they only have 6 to 9?
All depends which system do you guys play. If you're playing the standard bidding, standard American, it's only 6 to 9. Some of you guys playing 2/1 system that over a major will promise 6 up to 11, maybe even bet 12 points. But standard American Sue, it will show 6 to 9 points, and that's the one you play, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So on the next hand, we couldn't open with the 6 card suit on level 1. So there is a special bid that we can do by bidding the 2 spades. And 2 spades would say to partner, I have a 6 card suit and only 5 to 10 points. Be careful how you respond now. If you were the responder, okay, and you bid the 2 spades and I'm sorry, let me go back. If your partner opens 2 spades, how should I be responding to my partner? Number 1 rule, if you now introduced a new suit, let's say goes 3 clubs or 3 hearts, how many points do you guys think I should have? Anybody?
10.
If you go into the 3.
So I was afraid of that again. That's why I made this quiz. Over preempt, since partner has the most, 5 to 10 points. If I introduced a new suit, I need to have at least 16 or more points. So in order to bid a new suit over preemptive bidding, 16 plus points, because I'm forcing partner, knowing that the opener only gonna have 5 to 10 points. So if your partner bids 3 hearts, guess what?
1, 2,
I'm
3,
happy
4,
to go
5,
to game here and I will bid 4 hearts. If partner bids 3 clubs and I have this hand, now I have more trouble, yes? Some people may bid 3 no trump, showing the best hand, depending on partner's agreement. Some people might bid 3 spades, saying I have nothing outside. Again, all of those bids are partnership agreement. But one thing is clear, if you introduced a new suit, you're promising 16 or more points. If you bid 2 no trump, it's also promising 16 or more points. What is not a forcing bid? If you raise your partner's suit. So 2 spades to 3 spades. It's not invitational hand. 2 spades, 3 spades is just competitive bidding. It is just saying to partner, hey, we have total of 9 trumps between me and you, and I'm just trying to block the opponents from finding their fit. So only new suits are forcing, or the 2 no trump. Same suit, it's not a forcing bid. Are we clear on that? John, you have a
Do we
question.
need
for-
do we need any number of points to come back with 3 spades, or it could be 0 points, but you
Good
have spades?
question. I would do even with 0 points. The fewer points I have, the more likelihood that opponent gonna have slam or game in their hand, yes? But because I will have 9 trumps between me and my partner, so the 3 spades guarantees 3 trumps, but
Sylvia?
0 plus points. And this is where my students, especially new students, always don't trust me. They think, how this bid can show 0 points? It can, because you know you have both weak hands. So you can just block the opponent, and even if you don't make the contract, it's gonna be a good sacrifice. If you had 4 trumps, you will go to 4 spades, okay? So the more trumps you have, the higher you go. And that bidding, it's called the law of total trumps, okay?
I have a question.
Yes, John.
When you mentioned 16 plus points, does that include, is that just high card points, or does it include points for distribution as well after the fit?
Just remember that you have to, in order to count for shortness, you have to have a fit. So if you have a fit, you can have including distribution. If you don't have a fit, you want to have 16 high card points, okay?
Thank you.
Anything
Sylvia?
that there's, yes, Barbara.
If you respond, if you have the 16 plus points and you want to introduce a new suit, how many cards in that suit do you need? 6?
At least 5, at least
Okay.
5. Okay,
Okay,
you prefer having 6, but on the bad day, you could have 5.
thank you.
You're welcome. On the next hand, look how beautiful your hand is. So what should I open? I have 18 high card points. And I have
1
2
diamond.
points, 1 diamond. Good job. So we opened the bidding with 1 diamond. An opponent passed, and your partner came back with 1 heart. One thing we know, we don't like partner suit, yes? And our hand, it's not balanced. What do you think I want to be bidding next?
Would you go to diamonds, 2 diamonds?
So not bad, but there's way better answer.
2 no trump.
Cannot bid 2 no trump because my hand, it's not balanced.
2 clubs?
So 2 clubs would be like my second, maybe best answer, but I love this hand because it has so many points. I have 18 high card points plus 2 points for the land. I know we're supposed to be in game. So what I want to do is jump in a new suit. When you jump to a new suit, that it's called game strong jump shift, and it is a game forcing hands. And in order to jump ship, you have to be unbalanced. And also one more thing, for the jump ship, you need to have at least about 19 plus points. And it says to partner, you cannot pass me until we reach a game, okay? So it's game forcing. Always jump shift your first suit, okay? It's gonna be always show unbalanced hand. Second suit can never be longer than the first suit, okay? So it's either 5-4, 6-4, once in a while could be 6-3 if you have like awkward hand, but usually you have at least 9 cards between the two suits that you bid. If you do jump to a major, 2 spades, same thing, 19 or more points, 5 diamonds and 4 spades, okay?
Sylvia, is that always done by the opener?
Always done by opener. Some people play strong jump shift by responder. I usually teach my student to only play by opener, okay?
Can you have the same number of points in the two suits? I mean, the same number of cards?
No, because if you were 5 and 5, Melanie, with 5 spades and 5 diamonds, yes, which suit would you open first?
Spades.
Well, that you would do
You will
spades,
open
but in this
spades.
example,
But if you said 1 spade, 1 no trump, 3 hearts, you could be 5-5, okay? But you could be also 5-4.
what about diamonds and clubs?
Diamonds and club has to be now 5-4. Cannot be 4-4, because if you were 4-4, Melanie, your hand will become balanced. So jump shift always shows unbalanced hands, okay?
But
So
could you be
one-
5-5?
Could you be, no, because 5 and 5, which suit would you start, Melanie? High 5, yes?
No, if you were 5 diamonds and 5 clubs,
Oh, you could be, but you would jump to 3 clubs. Yes, you could.
right? Okay, that's what I was asking. Okay,
Yep.
thank you.
You could. If you were 5-5, but at least showing 5-4. Okay. Exercise 2.
Jump ship hand.
Jump shift. Yes, those were jump shift. So exercise 2. Your partner opened the bidding with 1 spade. And I always get at least 1 or 2 people in a group that bid this hand incorrectly. So if your partner opens 1 spade, what do you think I would like you to be bidding?
No trump, either 2 or 3, no trump.
No trump?
No,
One
no,
heart?
no,
No.
Help suit
No.
game try?
no. It's just 2 diamonds.
2 diamonds.
2 diamonds. Why do I like 2 diamonds and not bidding, let's say 2 hearts or 2 no trump or 3 no trump? Is my suit forcing or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So my partner, it's not allowed to pass me. So now what I'm accomplishing by bidding the 2 diamonds, I'm giving my partner a chance. It may be their hand was 5 spades and 4 hearts, yes? So by me bidding 2 diamonds, I'm saving the room for opener. If they have 4 hearts, guess what? We can now play in 4 hearts instead of playing in no trump, yes? Always better to play in the major if you can. And minor on level 2, you don't promising 5. That's why you could not be bidding 1 spade, 2 hearts, because 1 spade, 2 hearts, that will always guarantee a 5-card suit. But minor, you can do it even with 4-card suit. Even extreme example, you could do it with 3, okay? So here we bid 1 spade, 2 diamonds, and if partner bids 2 spades, we are happy. If partner bids 2 no trump, we know we don't have fit in spades because they didn't repeat the spades, they didn't bid hearts, then we can go to 3 no trump. Okay, and if partner bids 2 hearts, then we can raise partners to the 4 hearts. Or okay, is that happy or no?
Yeah, you can go to the 2 level with 3 or 4 cards in a
In a
minor.
minor, yes, in a minor, not major, Vicky. Okay. Extreme. And when would I be only? Okay, I'm not gonna go there. I will confuse more people.
Yeah.
Okay.
In mine, I can go to.
Okay. So goes 1 spade, and I'm gonna make the font bigger for you guys. Over 1 spade. What should I respond?
2 hearts.
How many hearts I will need to have to bid on level 2?
5. I would say 2
5.
spades.
2 spades.
Okay.
2 spades.
Now, if we bid 2 spades, we forgot to count points for shortness. So how many points? Because we found the fifth, that shortness, it's worth additional 3 points. So with this hand, you need to jump to 3 spades, okay? Don't bid 2, but bid 3. And there are a way some people play 3 cards promise, some people play 4. I like to play 4 for guarantees 4 trumps, but if you forget and you do it with 3, I'm okay. Especially if it's new group that is just learning. But if you're gonna get more experience, people play that 1 spade, 3 spade should promise 4, okay? But don't forget, give yourself points 3 for that shortness. That shortness is as good as holding a king, because if you get rid of 1 card, hopefully the next time you can trump it, okay?
So Sylvia, so the 3 spade bid.
It's 10 to 12, John,
Right, right.
and 4 trumps I like to play. But if you
And
forget
4.
and you do it with 3, I'm okay with that, all right?
Okay,
For
thank you.
now, if you're a new player, if you have a lot already knowledge, I would prefer you do something else. And I'm not gonna go there today because I will confuse too many people, okay? How we doing, Barbara?
Good.
Okay, all right. Partner open 1 spade on the next hand. And this is another problem that I'm seeing way too many people. You cannot go to level 2. Why I cannot introduce a suit on level 2?
10
Because
points.
I don't have enough value, yes? If I'm playing standard, I need to have minimum of 10 points. If I'm playing 2/1 system, and some of you guys do, I need to have 12 points. So whenever I have only 6 to 9 points in standard, less than 10 points, I cannot go higher level. So on this hand, I bid 1 no trump. And by the way, I will also bid 1 no trump, even with my hand, if it's not balanced, okay? I have too many cards. So if this is my hand, I will still bid 1 no trump. You're never allowed to go to level 2 unless you have the right point count, okay? In your new suit. Okay, so here we bid 1 no trump. How about the next one? 1 spade,
Clubs.
2
I see.
clubs. Now,
First,
why did I choose clubs versus diamonds or hearts? We know for sure we cannot be bidding the hearts because hearts on level 2, we said it earlier, we guarantee 5 cards. So with
10
4
points.
and 4, we always start with the lower ranking. 5/5, we bid the higher suit. So here 4 and 4, we start first by bidding the 2 clubs.
Could we
And
go
that-
right to 3 no trump?
I don't go to 3 no trump, Vicky, because again, I have not I want to see maybe we can somehow play in the major. Partner may still have hearts, Vicky, yes? So don't be in such a hurry. When you have the right point count to introduce a new suit, do more investigation. Don't be in such a hurry to close out the bidding, okay?
Sylvia, so unlike when you open, if you have 4 clubs and 4 diamonds, you have to open 1 diamond. As a
Correct.
responder, you go with the clubs, even though they're
Yes.
equal number. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
So when we responding, we bidding slowly, okay? When we opening 4 and 4, we start with the diamond. And for the new people, and how do I remember that 4, 4, we open a diamond is diamond has the shape of 4 corners. So it's easy to remember. 4 and 4 open a diamond, and club has 3 pointers, yes? So 3 and 3, you will open a club. So opening versus responding, totally different thing, okay? And I'm apologizing for my accent. I know it's heavy and some of you gonna have hard time understanding me, but if you were in my class, I think you guys got used to, hopefully, okay?
What accent?
I know, it's from Bronx.
The Bronx.
Or Brooklyn. Okay, so on the next hand, you guys remember when I said to you, if you open the bidding with 2 spades, the 2 spades originally promised 5 to 10 points and a 6-card suit. Yes?
Yes.
This is what exactly happening. Your partner opens 2 spades saying that they have 5 to 10 points and exactly 6-card suit. Not 7, not 5, not 8, it's 6-card suit. Because with 7-card suit, they will open with 3 spades. You can do the preemptive bidding on level 2 only with clubs. Sorry for that. Clubs, diamonds. Oops, hold on. Diamonds or hearts. Okay. So over clubs, diamonds, hearts. Oh, not clubs. What did
Yeah, I
I
was
say?
gonna say,
Diamonds.
clubs.
Yeah, that would be bad. No, I mistyped it. And I
Okay.
was saying as I was doing diamonds, hearts, and spade. You cannot open with the 2 clubs.
Right.
Because 2 clubs opening, it's gonna be the only bid that you're not allowed to pass partner. It will promise 22 or more points. So if partner opens 2 diamonds, 2 hearts, or 2 spades, would say to you that they have 5 to 10 high card points and 6-card suit. So if partner opens 2 spades, and this is your hand, close your eyes and count how many trumps do you have, okay? I always say to my
10.
students, 10. What is the law of total trumps? If you know there is 10 trumps between you and your partner, go all the way to 4. Don't look at the point count unless you're thinking of a slam. And the goal is, hopefully, you scare the opponent from bidding over you. Maybe once in a while, you're gonna make it, but you protect it that you're probably not gonna go down as much. Now, there are some exceptions. And the exception one is for new students that never really played duplicate. Will probably not matter that much. But if you're playing duplicate, you guys remember when you look at the boards, it will have a different vulnerability, being vulnerable versus not vulnerable. So the difference is the penalties and the awards are given different. So if you play 4 spades and you are vulnerable and they double you, your penalty may be too harsh if opponent was not vulnerable. Again, this is more for the duplicate players. So if you are red and there are white, means they are vulnerable and you are not, be careful. I will not do it, okay? Maybe I will bid 3 spades, okay? On the next hand, My student get this one wrong too. So let's see how you guys gonna do with this hand.
Uh-huh. Hmm.
Don't be scared.
I said pass.
Good job. Pass, it's my number one answer. Because remember what we said it earlier, I erased it. But it was showing that if you introduced a new suit, you must have how many points? 16 or more. And I don't have 16 points. So I need to pass. By the way, even if your hand only had one spade, you still have to pass. Even if you have 0 spades and this is your hand, you still need to pass. Do not rescue your partner unless you have 16 or more points. Is that going to be clear now?
Mhm. That's only for a new suit, though, not if you have a
Only
bunch
for
of
new
suits.
suit. And
Right.
why I could not bid over 2 spades, 3 spades? Because that would say I have 9 trumps. It would be the law of total trumps. And I don't want to break that law, yes? So I just want to pass. Hand number 3, 2 spades.
I pass again.
How many trumps do I
spades.
have this time?
Get it?
Yeah.
I have,
3 spades.
Oh, 3
I would bid
spades.
3 spades because I have 9 trumps, okay? So 2 spades, 3 spades, you can do it even with only 3 points. Don't be afraid. It's only as a sacrificing, okay? And for new students, they probably never heard of giving up some points versus opponent making. It all comes from the knowing the scoring. If you guys know the scoring inside out, you're gonna figure out pretty soon that sacrificing could be a really good thing, okay? And
Sylvia,
our
you said, okay, I'll ask after.
sure.
Oh, with 3 points, you can answer?
Yes, yes,
Ooh.
yes. Even with 0 points, I gave you this hand, I will still bid it,
Huh.
okay? It's all about going to the law of total trumps, okay? All right, and hand number 4. I'm holding how many points?
17.
17.
So here, I want to be bidding to no trump because I have enough values and I will bid to no trump to gain more information about partner's hand. And there are conventions. Some people play to no trump. It's asking for something called like feature. Feature, it's either ace or a king and outside of my suits. Some people play as an August convention that is saying how good is your hand. So there are different methodologies how you're gonna be playing, okay? But if partner bids to no trump, if you bid to no trump, partner must bid something. Now, if partner comes back and you're playing that you agree you're gonna play features. Feature is ace or a king and of outside suit. So if partner has, let's say, ace, queen of spade and a king of clubs, they're supposed to be showing now 3 clubs. And now you can either bid 3 no trump or 4 spades. I prefer playing in 4 spades, okay? Sounds good, guys?
Thank you.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Quick question,
Thank
Sylvia?
you. Thank you, Sylvia.
Thank you,
You're welcome.
Sylvia.
Let me stop
you.
recording. Hold on one second, Melanie. I'm gonna stop recording. Mhm.